is one of the last remaining Gobi bears, fewer than 10 of which are female. Sources of water may be 100 miles apart. They face a grueling trek across the desert. These are ancient poplar trees. They use their extremely long roots to collect water from beneath the desert floor. There is nothing here for the bears to drink. But these trees are still important to them. As they rub, they leave behind a unique scent. A message to other bears to say they've been here. In the search for water, the bears follow well-trodden paths across this vast desert. At last, a drink. And a refreshing dip. The oases are a lifeline for the bears, particularly for those that are extremely precious. A Gobi bear cub. The future of these bears rests on just a few individuals. But this young one is a symbol of hope for the Gobi bear.